Welcome back to the Cooking with Ruf YouTube channel. Folks, we have a treat for you today. Why am I fixated on this magazine holder? Well, this magazine holder is in Peg's house. I believe that it is composed of some sort of ancient adamantium and will perhaps be around for the next 4,000 to 5,000 years. What I wanted to do today, folks, is give you a tour of Peg's home kitchen studio. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is where it all went down. It's not going to be a long tour. It is a small kitchen. But I wanted to let you all know that we have a tour of Peg's home kitchen studio. Many of these items are vintage, like this dishwasher. I don't think you can find a dishwasher like that anyway. And we go to the refrigerator, laundry room back there. Cooking with Ruf made this duck in 7th grade industrial arts class. I believe my teacher was Mr. Tom Tennant. Tom Tennant. So we're going to do a backspin, come around, show you out the back window, wilderness area back there, and then we're going to come back to the stove. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where all the magic happened, in this area right here. And ladies and gentlemen, this hood, I don't know who designed this thing, but it hangs low. And if you get caught up in the moment and forget where you are, a person of 5'10", 5'11" can take a corner of their noggin off. So you don't want to do that. But let's look right here what I took the opportunity to make and bake while I was here in the original UGLY biscuit pan. We have some of Peg's homemade South Carolina style buttermilk biscuits. Lord have mercy. So anyway, folks, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share a little quick tour of Peg's home kitchen with you. I'm going to turn it around as I learn to leverage this selfie stick we got on our Cooking with Ruf gear. Hey folks, I appreciate you all rocking with me. If you have not yet, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that when Cooking with Ruf, that's me, puts out new content on YouTube, you will be first to know. And if you feel so inclined, folks, that you're getting something out of the content, please share. I appreciate you all so much. We're here live from Peg's home kitchen studio, and we'll see you on the next one. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.